Forgotten username recovery failed on Mama Finance app fix. If you're locked out of your Mama Finance account, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or overlooking verification steps. The surprising truth is that a few precise actions can help you regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the Mama Finance app or visit the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Finance will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Missing the recovery email is the main reason the process fails. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information such as your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Mama Finance support directly with these details to speed up the recovery process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login problems. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Mama Finance account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are crucial for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.